hot enough.
Yep, take that off, take that off. Oh,
one last time, let's live for something. I can feel my blood, it's rushing. This ain't goodbye, we'll be back someday, and we will find our way.
Well, that happened. Oh, okay.
Well,
good thing my gloves didn't get any glass. Unless don't do any.
well, it got under there, and I got
Car number 3 for Dad breaking the windshield the back windshield on accident.
Shut the doors.
Just stop.
What do I got? Hang on.
Anyone want genuine lumina, rare lumina glass? $2,099,000. Or no, not for sale, $99.
Shit, this is gross. Oh, I hate windows.
Well, shop back.
Damn it.
That was not intended. We figured it was going to happen, but, you know, didn't want it to. Here, let me vacuum up what we got right now, and then we'll slowly break it. And then we have more of a controlled deal, I guess. Okay.
Pete told me that was going to break, too.
Well, you're kind of a...
Well, I was trying to do, sweet talking him into just taking the windows out for him.
Alright, we're gonna get this cleaned up, and yeah. Things happen, it's demolition derby cars. You never know really what's gonna happen when you're trying to use like random tools around the house, or like gardening tools. Pop a window out like that, but it's all part of the journey, so. Once again, we'll see you when something either interesting happens or we got updates.
For more than one person here.
Alright,
Okay, I got mine. Oh,
ladies and gentlemen,
Do we got everything off?
we are doing an update real quick. We got this off. All we did is cut the two corners here of the bumper. So like right about here. And same thing on the other side. We've used a crowbar, pop that off. We got that out, and we got 2 other people helping us since I last recorded. We got Eli, who looks clueless, and Austin, who actually looks productive.
I'm waiting for this to be. I'm waiting for him to get that out, and then Dad.
Oh, excuses, ladies and gentlemen. Comment.
We're about to get this out.
He's making excuses.
We're about to get this out. And I just need Dad to get his safety glasses.
So, yes, like Eli said, we're getting this windshield out, but we got all the windows out. We got to vacuum up and sweep glass, but that's not much of a problem. What a catch! What's going on? And we also got the front. But if you guys are liking what you're seeing, subscribe. It helped the channel, it helped us out. But yep, we're gonna keep on pounding away on this, and we'll see you in the next clip. Okay, so we are back. We got battery cables hooked up. It's not going to actually be like this when we run it. We're going to route them through here, but we got the actual battery out. These battery cables are unhooked. New ones in, like I said. We had to move this, and we also are moving the fuse box here. And so I think everything's tightened back down. So I think we are ready to start putting these on.
You said that one's positive, right?
Yeah, we'll go like this.
But put the
I want to loosen this just so that it
we want to put the
positive.
negative on first, I think.
No, positive.
Right?
We'll put the positive on first. Okay, let's use this.
You told me that one was positive, but that was a negative.
No, you didn't use that, did you?
I might have.
Uh-oh, guys.
You told me the green one was positive.
I said the green one was negative.
I think you're confused.
No, I think you're confused. You really got me worried. Oh, boy.
It wasn't bad enough to worry about. No, that's all right.
We'll completely shut it off.
We have no juice. Why?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to troubleshoot. Why this isn't working.
That's getting hotter.
Yep, take that off. Take that off. Oh, and there goes battery cable. Ladies and gentlemen of Lazy Eye Racing, we finally got the lumina running. We got Ethan here that helped us, Dad, and we got Mom here and Andrew, kinda. We got it running, and we can. Oh yeah, we can definitely thank Neck for that one. Because without Neck, ladies and gentlemen, we would not have really thought, let's start switching things around, because we just changed a few things around. Ooh, I don't like that. Yeah, packing table is on the belt. But it runs.
Okay, we
So,
can start.
That's what I'm talking about. She sounds pretty nice. We just got to get the full exhaust cut off. And yeah, but that's what we got going on over here. And
Dude, it's not even heating up.
I know, that's the good part. It's not heating up. I'm excited. This car, it's going to do well, I think. So, but that's what we got going on so far. The Lumina's running. We got to do a little shop cleanup, pull it back in here. Next few things, we got to cut the exhaust off, weld it. We got to do fuel system, because we got to disconnect its current fuel system, put a new one in. Hopefully the tank that we got will, the fuel pump in the tank will push it, because it was off like a 4-cylinder, I think. I don't know what it was on. But hopefully it'll push it. If not, then I think we got a backup. We're not sure. But, yeah, that's what we got going on so far. So, battery cables are pretty much in. They're not in their position to derby in yet. But it's a start. So, video of this. Thank you, Neck, for helping us, guys. Because we did get it running, and we got to thank you guys so much, because you guys are very helpful. So, thank you guys. It's running beautifully. So, oh yeah. Thank you guys.